So, ladies and gentlemen, and how to calculate. Okay, before this, I share with you how to calculate distributions. So that's why, so we need to put your financial objective to accumulate 1 million unit in unit trust. Why unit trust? The unit trust because it's a very stable. Is from the bank and is very have a diversification of power, and also the professional fund manager who manage our fund, so it easy. So here is the concept. Number one is a concept, and I'm going to accumulate 1 million unit in a unit trust. How to accumulate 1 million unit in unit trust? So number one is very simple. Accumulating 1 million unit in unit trust require a disciplined investment strategy, consistent contribution, long-term approach. You can use any strategies. Okay, number one is set a clear goal. So clear goal, you want to have 1 million unit as soon as possible, or it depends on your capacity and ability of getting that kind of 1 million unit. So it's very clear. Don't convert into RM, but you must set your target 1 million unit. So means that if the price going drop, the lower the price, the better you are. So means that keep investing, keep saving in unit trust. It's very simple. Means that, for example, like the current price is a 25 cent. You have a 1,000. Very simple, easy calculation. You will get a 4,000 unit. But if the price going drop to 20 cents, so if a 20 cent you invest a 1,000 ringgit Malaysia, you will get the 5,000 unit more unit you will accumulate. So it's very simple. Number one is you are going to target 1 million units. Okay, determine the timeline. How many years do you have to achieve this goal? It depends on your capacity and ability, your income, your saving. So calculate the required monthly or annual investment to reach the target. Understand unit trust. So research unit trust, if you want to, for example, is a public mutual. Okay, I choose public mutual, is very good. So check the fund historical performance and risk level and fees. Understand the asset value per unit, which little bit how many unit you can buy with your investment. Okay, my strategy is very simple. I will go for the fundamental basic, means that I'm going to see and seek the company who are very stable, means that their asset is more than liabilities, and then they have a cash holding power. For example, like the Apple company, Taiwan Semiconductor, Nvidia is a long-term range. It's like a Tesla. They have a lot of money. Yeah, better than their liabilities. So number three is a start regular early and invest regularly. It's very simple. So you have to use your systematic plan like a debit direct authorization DDA, and depends on your capacity. Remember, right? So reinvest distribution. So don't take out your money. Don't redeem. Relax. Reinvest. When there is a distribution, so distribution means that a dividend, then invest and advance again. Make compounding power to become your wonders. Means that there is another several wonders in the world is a compounding interest. So reinvest your distribution or reinvest your dividend. So reinvest accelerate the growth of your unit holding. So number five is the increased contribution over time. So as your income grows, increase your monthly contribution. Start with RM 1,000 per month by 10% annually. Make it consistent and then going up. And then number six, take advantage of dollar cost averaging. Invest consistently regardless of market fluctuation. Instead, it's going down, invest. Going up, invest. Going down, invest. So it become the average dollar cost averaging. So means that if the market low, invest more. It easy. So this strategy reduce the impact of market volatility and average out the cost per unit over time. For example, right now is all the market is going down. So it's the time for you to keep your money into stock market. But I choose the diversification power in unit trust. So, and monitor and adjust your portfolio. So, regularly review your unit trust performance, rebalance your portfolio if necessary to align with your goal. So, unit monitor, you need adjust your portfolio. Okay, you want a little bit of equity, bond, mid asset, it depends. But net to net is all about to get 1 million unit. So number eight, lump sum investment. If you receive a windfall, or example bonus, inheritance, consider making a lump sum investment to boost your unit holding. Example calculation, let's assume the asset per unit is RM50 cents. So monthly investment is RM 1000 and return is 6% compound monthly. Reinvest all distribution. Using a compound interest, you will get this one and this one. Yeah. So it's better for you to use, to start early and invest consistently. Reinvest distribution to maximize growth, increase contribution as your income grows, monitor your portfolio and adjust as needed. So by following this step, you can systematically accumulate 1 million units in unit trust. You have to trust in unit trust because they have a power of a compounding plus with the diversification and also it managed by the professional fund manager. Thank you.